it's Vanna from Chameleon Stainless Steel. Stay frugal with your next Manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bezox Cuticle Pusher set. Funny story, I always have to link this set in my description box when I use my Chameleon Cuticle Pusher, because back then you could just buy one and it was fine, but I can't link it anymore because you can't just buy one anymore. You have to buy it in a set. So in the videos where I'm using this and I'm like, I'll link this down in the description box down below. But really, they don't let you just buy one, so you have to link the whole set. So you know what I got to thinking? I'm like, I'm gonna buy the whole set and review it. So when I link it down in my description box down below, I can use the whole set in my videos and then I can link the whole set. I don't just have to use one. And plus, I wanted more cuticle pushers because I love this Chameleon Cuticle Pusher. To get 3 more that are just like this one is just a blessing. So why don't we get started in reviewing this set? Let's go.
Alright, here is what the box looks like. It's a very colorful box and I did not expect it to be this colorful for some reason. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, and I really like how the metal cuticle pushers are put in a metal case. But yeah, this case is very beautiful. It has a lady on it with a nice hat on, and this is very well, like the little clip that holds it closed is really well done. Like, it's really good. Alright, here's the instructions, and in the instructions in different languages, yada yada yada, tells you how to use it, how to use them, and stuff like that. And here they are, and I noticed right off the bat that this one right here has a little nick out of the metal. Yes, I noticed it right off the bat. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a kind of a triangle notch out of it. And this one is borderline unusable because metal cuticle pushers, you have to be careful with them because metal can be more harsher on the nails. And this would downright cut you. And the other side of, because you can flip the cuticle pusher around, is fine. But I don't know why that side is just broken. Here's the one that I mentioned in the intro that I really like, that I bought separately. It is the exact same one in this set, so I'm glad that I have a replacement for that one. But I'm discarding that one and not using it. Since it has a little niche out of it, it is unusable, and it would just cut you. So we'll get rid of that one. And here's the next kind of biggest one. Here's the other end to it, and this is going to be the first one we're going to use out of this set. And I'm going to use some Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, and you know when I'm going to be trying out these cuticle pushers, what I'm going to be doing. There's probably other ways you can use these cuticle pushers as nail tools, but you know what I'm going to be using them for is my cuticles. So I went ahead and grabbed the second, like, biggest one. I guess I have, like, small. They have large, small, medium, and then like tiny in this kit. So I went ahead and just grabbed this one first, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just use it like I normally would use it. I'd be very, very gentle, just because, I mean, metal cuticle pushers can be very kind of harsh on the nails, so you gotta be careful. So I went ahead and flipped this cuticle pusher around and used the other end, and this was not pleasant. I didn't really like this square end for doing this with my cuticles. I usually go around my cuticles like this when I'm done pushing them back, but I didn't really like it. This cuticle pusher was a little bit big for my nails, but it worked and it removed my cuticles. Well, it didn't remove my cuticles. We're removing the dead skin off our nails. We're pushing back our cuticles. So I'm going to grab the largest cuticle pusher in this kit. It has just a kind of a large end pushing end, and then it has this little, I don't know, poker end? I don't know what to call it. So I went ahead and grabbed my Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, put that on my nail for 30 seconds, and then I started using this one. This one also worked very well. It was just a little bit big for my nails because it was like the largest one in the kit, and my nails are kind of small. But I love the other end of this cuticle pusher. It really got in there so I could go around my cuticle. I really like to push my cuticles back and then get off the dead skin and then flip it around and just go around it with the other end, and that end really worked for doing that. Alright, let's grab the last one in this kit, which is the smallest one, the tiniest one in this kit, and it's just itty bitty and it's adorable, and it's got this, like, I don't know, like kind of a sharper end on the other side. I don't know. Let's go ahead and use it on my smallest finger, my pinky. And I gotta say, this one was my favorite out of the whole entire kit. It is my new metal cuticle pusher because it is great. It's the perfect size for all of my nails. I used it on the rest of my nails, not just my pinky, and it's just great. And I just gently got off the dead skin off my nails and I pushed back my cuticles, and it just worked great. But the other end of this cuticle pusher, this end, when you flip it around, did not work very well. I didn't really like it. It almost scratched my cuticle, actually, so I wouldn't use it to go around my cuticle. I didn't like it. I would take the largest one in this kit and use that kind of pointy end to go around my cuticle. I would not use that end. So yeah, these cuticle pushers worked very well. Here's my nails afterwards. As you can see, I got no dead skin on my nails and my cuticles are nicely pushed back. Another thing that I want to mention is that I know that in my videos it kind of seems like, oh, this video I have long nails, and then this video I have shorter nails, then I have medium length nails, and that is because I have some pre-filmed videos where I had long nails, then I trimmed them, and now they've kind of grown out a little bit, so that's why it's kind of like, oh, my nail shape's all over the place. No, I just have some pre-filmed videos where I have long nails, and then the next week I'll have short nails, and that's just because I have pre-filmed videos. Anyways, this kit I was very impressed with. I was not impressed with that one with the little nick out of it, because that is borderline unusable, but hopefully that was just a manufacturing problem, and hopefully no other of these sets have one of those kind of defective ones in it. So hopefully it was just mine, and you just want to toss it because you do not want to use a metal cuticle pusher that has a little notch out of it because it will cut you. So I went ahead and got rid of that one, and then I just put my one that I've had for a while in there because it's just the exact same one. But I really like this kit. I definitely suggest it if you want to get it because it has some really nice metal cuticle pushers. Like I said, my favorite is the little mini one and that other kind of pointy end. I will be definitely using these in my videos in the future. I really like them for metal cuticle pushers. Hope you got value out of this video. Hit the like button if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!